the Axion Technology Road Building System Canada, the total all-encompassing road building system. Due to extreme weather conditions in many parts of the world, rigid pavements become a requirement. We therefore introduce the Axion Rigid TuffCrete system, an innovation in the world of concrete. TuffCrete is made up of a powder and a liquid. It is the first concrete-type product that does not utilize aggregates, and is the only concrete product that is 100% waterproof, and that is an industry first. It is the only concrete whose expansion and contraction is almost 0%. Therefore, rigid pavements and roads can be built without expansion joints. Its flexural strength, flexibility, and load-bearing capacity exceeds that of steel-reinforced concrete. It attaches to steel rebars better than conventional concrete and requires more than 14 tons to separate it. And because it is waterproof, it protects the steel rebars from corrosion, oxidization, and erosion. Another industry first. The abrasion test results showed that conventional concrete acceptable abrasion limits under normal use was 5.2 millimeters, and under heavy use it was 3 millimeters. However, TuffCrete tested at 1.49 millimeters, or less than 2/3 of the normal use abrasion and less than half of the heavy use abrasion. This means that TuffCrete concrete lasts many more times than conventional concrete. You can also add asphalt layers to it. And it also can be used to repair, believe it or not, waterproof damaged and cracked conventional concrete, and will adhere to it without the need for any additional additives. All this allows for building roads, airplane loading areas, parking areas, gas station refueling areas, etc., without the fear of the damage caused by oil and fuel spillage. TuffCrete concrete has many applications. 1. TuffCrete is the only concrete product in the world that you can build swimming pools, water storage tanks, and line water canals without requiring the use of aggregate, steel rebars, plastic liners, or ceramics. This swimming pool was built with TuffCrete concrete. Its color is part of the concrete mix, and it is 100% waterproof. It withstands both earth and water pressures. Above all, it costs about 40% less to build and requires less maintenance and saves on expensive water treatment chemicals. And it has no pores to allow the algae to grow in. And it is also safer because it does not have slippery walls or floors. 2. You can manufacture waterproof marble and marble-like pavers from it, and in the colors of the rainbow. Designers and decorists can manufacture designer marble in the colors of the rainbow. They add value to buildings, parks, gardens, and pavements like no other. 3. The TuffCrete system is a revolution in the construction industry because now you can mortar, waterproof, and paint all in one easy step. 4. You can repair damaged and cracked concrete with it, and it will adhere to it instantly, while waterproofing the damaged area simultaneously. 5. You can manufacture TuffCrete waterproof paints in the colors of the rainbow and in different textures. TuffCrete spray paint system allows you to cover 50 square meters every 3 minutes, or about 1,000 square meters every hour, with the toughest weather-resistant paint. 6. TuffCrete concrete is used to build water canals, water storage tanks, gas station refueling areas, airplane loading areas, and parking areas at airports without expansion joints and without pores. And it is waterproof. This is a picture of a canal whose walls were built with TuffCrete. It is over 4 years old and it got stronger each year, unlike the conventional concrete, which will show cracks and signs of wear over time. 7. The TuffCrete system is used for sand dune stabilization protecting lives. The TuffCrete system excels in stabilizing sand dunes up to 50 meters high and in attractive colors. Above all, it is environmentally friendly. This is a 50-meter high sand dune in the Baltim area of Egypt, threatening the superhighway. It has been successfully stabilized. The TuffCrete system is the only system in the world that has succeeded in converting cement bypass dust, in other words, cement kill dust, better known as CKD, a known pollutant, into our environmentally safe products, good enough to build roads. As a result, the Prime Minister of Egypt has passed a law on July 13th in 2004 making it mandatory to pave all roads in over 6,000 villages in Egypt with the Axion system. In Greater Cairo, over 40 streets have been paved this way, as a pilot sample to be repeated and implemented throughout Egypt. The TuffCrete concrete adheres directly to the dirt road, and within 2 hours, cars can drive over it. This is an example of a TuffCrete CKD road built in an area impossible to build roads, and built with great success, a seamless, jointless road that is geared for the heaviest of loads. This road is over 4 years old and is carrying the National Cement Company's export loads weighing from 25 tons to 66 metric tons, 24 hours a day, every day.